This tutorial will walk you through how to install and set up newsletter in VPCart 9. Firstly, download the newsletter module from VPCart add-ons for version 9 page. Extract the module zip file to your local computer, and open the README file for instructions. Backup the site files as in README, and upload all the module files to your shopping cart folder. Log into VPCart admin, and execute the setup file, which is newsletter_setup.asp. Click Install Now button. Click Modules Configuration Page link. Set Enable to Yes, and modify other options if required. Click Save button. For testing, add the newsletter to the left container, using Layout Manager, and view it from the shop front end. Thank you for watching this VPCart 9 tutorial.